Hi everyone, my name is Audiomack from GREYTEST Design Consult. Today I want to give you a list of 10 civil engineering softwares that are actually largely recognized all over the world. First on my list, AutoCAD. It's one of the most widely used civil engineering software for your 2D and your 3D and also your drafting and annotation. Okay, we basically use AutoCAD for all of that. Most especially for those who are into structural design, you come about your structural detailing in your AutoCAD, or probably when you use some other engineering softwares to generate your detailing, you may want to do some little editing using your AutoCAD. So it's actually widely used. I will encourage you to actually lay your hands on AutoCAD. And number 2 on my list is ArchiTabs. It's a popular software used for analysis and design of buildings and structures. Okay, then the number 3 in my list is the SAP 2000. It's a structural analysis and design software that is widely used in the civil engineering industry. Then we have the Staad.pro. Staad.pro is a comprehensive structural analysis and design software that is commonly used for designing large and complex structures. Like your Staad.pro can analyze and design whatever you can actually model. So irrespective of whatever structural member you want to actually design, if you can use Staad.pro to model that particular structure, the software will be able to analyze and design it as well. So your Civil 3D, which is number 5 in our list, is an Autodesk civil engineering design and documentation software that provides tools for creating and managing civil infrastructure projects. So you can simply use your Civil 3D for design of a canal, for your road, your drainages, and lot more. Even your piping can also be used. You can use a Civil 3D for all of that. Then we have the GeoStudio. It's a suite of software products of geotechnical and geoenvironmental modeling, analysis, and design. Then number 7 in our list is the Primavera. It's a project management software widely used in the civil engineering industry to manage and schedule large-scale construction projects. But 8 in our list is robust structural analysis. Robust structural analysis is a software for simulating structural behavior and analyzing the response of different structures. Then we have the Bentley MicroStation. Bentley MicroStation is a CAD software used for 2D and 3D design and drafting of infrastructure projects. Then number 10 in our list is the RepArCAD. It's a specialized software used for detailing reinforcement drawings for reinforced concrete structures. So if you love what you are seeing, just like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, it's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like these on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deep insight to design. Make sure you stay safe and